B1992 still goodness knows. The next train at platform 3 is for Beckton. There's come on. I was going to say there's 2 seats there.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
I've got 8 videos of the DLR on my YouTube channel's playlist. This is the second one, make it up to 10. But I kind of want to make the playlist to 15 videos. So how many would I have to do to make it to 15 plus these 2 today? That's like 5, so okay. I think it'd be like 7, I think. I was just asking. I did say, can I ask you a question? If you look behind you, you've got the cable car. Wow. If you go along Village Arsenal branch, you'll be able to see them overhead. But on Beckton branch, I don't think so. I wonder if they'll be able to get a shot of the new B24 stop. That'd be brilliant.
This train is for Beckton. The next stop is Royal Victoria. Exit for London Cable Car and City Hall.
What station are you two getting off at? Oh, Royal Albert, okay, that's right. I may go to the very end, I don't know yet. Almost in love with each other. The new Silvertown Tunnel social bus. That's a first. I do need to go through the new Silvertown Tunnel. I'll do that. I could be bothered, I guess.
This train is for Beckton. The next stop is Custom House for XL West. Change for the Elizabeth line. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Oh, crust. My favourite bit's coming up. Mind gap, please. This is Custom House for XL West.
Mind the gap, please.
This is Custom House for XL West.
I think you've got about 2 more stops, I think.
I don't know, I think so.
Yeah, 2 more. Just to let you know.
Tails.
What the other road up there? That's the whole road. Oh, goodbye.
is for Beckton. The next stop is Prince Regent for XL East and ICC London. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. This is Prince Regent for XL East and ICC London.
Just to let you know you're the next stop. So riders. Then we're going to go up to the highest sea level.
Is for Beckton. The next stop is Royal Albert for West Beckton.
Royal Albert's coming up. What's she with you? These two stations on the whole of the DLR. I think. Yes. Terrible.
This is Beckton Park.
The least two station on the whole of the DLR, I think. You got your passport ready? You got your bags packed? Ready? Good. The next stop is Cyprus.
This train is for Beckton. The next stop is Cyprus.
అదొక 10 నిమిషాలు పట్టింది. అది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత స్పెట్స్ తీసేసి చలం
This is Cyprus.
దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి చలం అడిగారు ఫార్ సైడ్
For University of East London.
బుక్ లాంటివి తీసాడు కలర్ టెస్ట్ కలర్ తీసాడు అంటే అదేంటంటే కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది కలర్ టెస్ట్ లాగా నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి కలర్ టెస్ట్ నెంబర్స్ చెప్పమన్నారు చెప్పా బాగా చెప్పా దాని తర్వాత అర్థం పర్లేదు
Forgot about that. Terrible. Everything I've done on time as quickly as yesterday. I've got things to do tonight.
This train is for Beckton. The next stop is Docklands Reach.
Porsche. One time when I was on the Beckton branch, this branch, and a nice person like you, another person that does what you're doing, I said to him, I think he said to me, do you want to do an announcement? I thought, oh yes please, well, which one? I was like, Beckton Park. And he videoed me and so on. So I attempted, well I said, the next stop is Beckton Park. Did you know it's the least used station on the DLR? There's not that many passengers call there. So oh, sorry. Oh dear. And if you can't find the front seat, come to the back of the train. Good.
Is Beckton, where this train will terminate. Please remember to take all your belongings with you.
This is Beckton.